Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to securely enroll your iPhone for iOS 27 beta. Apple allows iPhone users to test upcoming software features before the official rollout through the iOS beta program. So, if you want early access to iOS 27, you can enroll your device and install the beta update directly from your iPhone. But before getting started, remember that beta software may contain bugs, have compatibility issues, and reduce battery performance. Having said that, let's get started. First and foremost, I would recommend you to check your device compatibility. Before enrolling, make sure your iPhone supports iOS 27. Apple typically publishes a list of compatible devices when the beta becomes available. So, visit Apple's official developer or beta program website. Now, confirm that your iPhone model is eligible for iOS 27 and ensure that your device has sufficient free storage. Then I will recommend you to fully back up your device. Note that creating a backup is one of the most important steps before installing beta software. This allows you to restore your data if something goes wrong. So head over to the Settings app and then you have to tap your Apple ID name located right at the top. Then you have to choose iCloud. After that, you have to head over to iCloud Backup and hit Backup Now option. You can also create a backup using a Mac or Windows PC for additional protection. Then you have to join the Apple Beta program. To receive beta updates, you must enroll your Apple account in Apple's beta testing program. So open Safari on your device and then navigate to Apple's beta software program website. Then you have to sign in with your Apple account. Then you have to follow the on-screen instructions to enroll your device. If Apple offers a developer beta through your account, you may also need to sign in with the same Apple account used on your device. Then you have to enable beta updates. Once your account is enrolled, you can turn on beta updates directly from your iOS or iPadOS device. So navigate to the Settings app and then choose Enroll. After that, select Software Update. Then you have to hit Beta Updates and choose iOS 27 Beta from the available options. It's worth pointing out that if the beta option does not appear immediately, make sure to wait for a few minutes and check again. And finally, you have to download and install iOS 27 beta. After enabling beta updates, the iOS 27 beta should appear in the software update section. So go to the Settings app, choose General, and hit Software Update. Then you have to hit Download and Install option. After that, you need to enter your passcode if prompted. Then make sure to accept the terms and conditions. After that, wait for the download and install to complete, and that's all there is to it. Enrolling your iPhone in the iOS 27 beta program is a great way to explore new features before the public rollout. However, because beta software can be unstable, it's best to install it on a secondary device or ensure you have a recent backup before proceeding. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.